What's the weather like? There are many types of weather. Let's look at the words we use to describe what the weather is like. The weather can be excellent. Sunny and warm. The weather can be overcast and wet. The weather can be unpredictable and change fast. The weather can be chilly. Dress warm. It's cold out. It's freezing. The weather can be ugly. Very ugly. The weather can be blustery and windy. It's windy out there. The weather can be muggy and sticky. Hot and humid. It's so hot. It's sweltering. The weather can be extreme, like when there are tornadoes. The weather can be severe and inclement. The weather can be inhospitable. You can't survive it. The weather can be wet with lots of precipitation. The weather can be unseasonably warm. A person can feel sick and be under the weather. So there you have it. Words to describe the weather. What's the weather like where you live? Let us know in the comments, and please subscribe for more videos like this one.